This tutorial will show you how to use the hotspot you borrowed from Ocean County Library. Once you unzip the case, you will see the hotspot, USB cable, and plug. There is also a quick start guide included in the case. When you are looking at the hotspot, you will see a menu button, power button, status display, and charging port. How to power on and off. Press and hold the power button, and Welcome will appear on the status display. Followed by Khajiit, which is the brand name of the hotspot. Once Khajiit Smart Spot shows on the screen, press the menu button located at the top of the hotspot. Then press the menu button once more. On your computer, tablet, or mobile device, select the network name Khajiit Smart Spot 530C. This can be found by clicking the Wi-Fi icon on your device. You can also access this from your device's settings. When prompted for a password, enter SmartSpot 7580. You should now be connected to the hotspot. If you'd like to access the internet, you can click on your device's internet service, in this case, Google. To charge the hotspot, there is a plug and a USB cable included. Take the cable and insert the larger end into the plug. Take the smaller end and insert it into the hotspot. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact your favorite OCL location. Support public libraries, like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.